Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tips. Let's get started. A commonly asked question by survey creators is, what is the difference between email triggers and email tasks? Today we will look at both of these tools and walk through how to replace email triggers with email tasks in the Workflows tab. To start off, Qualtrics strongly recommends not to use email triggers because they may not behave as intended, and we no longer plan to develop any improvements for this feature. In the past, email triggers were the only option for this type of functionality, but now workflows have email tasks with troubleshooting options and the ability to be triggered by a lot more than just survey response completion. Since development for this feature has ceased, it would not be surprising to see triggers get deprecated sometime in the future. Now that we understand why email triggers are outdated, let's walk through how to replace email triggers with email tasks. To view our email triggers, we must first open our survey project and go to the Survey Settings tab, which is the icon with two sliders. Once we're there, we'll go to the Post Survey section and click on the Edit Triggers button underneath the Manage Email Triggers section. Here we can see that we have one email trigger with a condition that states that if the email question is not empty, this message with a response report will be sent immediately to the email address the respondent entered. Now, let's go ahead and select Close Without Saving, click Edit Triggers again, delete this email trigger, and click Save Triggers. We've now successfully deleted our email trigger, and all that's left to do is recreate it in the Workflows tab. To do so, navigate to the Workflows tab, click Create a Workflow, select When an Event is Received, and choose the Survey Response option. We can always look through these options and select what best fits our needs, but for simplicity, I will continue with the default settings and select Finish. Now, we've created a workflow that begins when a survey response is received, but we have not added any conditions or tasks. To add a condition, click this plus button, select Add a Condition, and set your logic. To set the condition we had in the email trigger, we will choose the question option from this dropdown, select our email question, choose the Isn't Empty option, and click Save. To add a task, click this plus button, select Add a Task, and either search or scroll for the email task. To pipe in the respondent's email, we can select this pipe text dropdown and choose the question we wish to pipe from. Make sure to fill in the from name and subject line with your preferred information, select Immediately for the When section, type in your message, check off the Include Response Report option, and click Save. And that's it! Thank you for learning how to replace email triggers with email tasks with me today. Please remember to subscribe to the 2-Minute Tip category on the XM community so you never miss a video, and I hope to see you around the XM community.